for today's episode. From the most expensive property to the most budget-friendly house and lot. Dadaling ko kayo dito sa The Island sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. Well, take a full tour inside, silipin natin ang living area, kitchen, mga bedrooms, and so much more. So, let's start the tour. Hello mga ka-CH, nandito ngayon tayo sa Dasmariñas, Cavite, and for today's episode, I'm gonna show you one of the most impressive unit here in Camellia de Island. So, let's start the tour. I'm your host, Harold Alcedo, and this is CH Property. Okay mga ka-CH, ito yung road papasok sa The Island Park. It is 80 to 200 meters above sea level. Completely flood-free, tapos continuous pa yung expansion of Villar City. So the property value here are moving fast. So if you're looking for investment, check nyo yung mga bahay dito. And also may mga lots tayo na for sale. So this unit has 80 square meter floor area, 144 square meter lot area with 4 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 vehicle carport. So this unit has 1 vehicle carport, ito yun. And this will be your exterior, your facade. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Going to your pathway, ito yung main door nyo. Ayan. Let's go! So, pagpasok natin sa unit, this will be your living area. Yan, pwede nyo ipa-design like this. May sofa, palagyan ng frames, your TV, tapos yung stairs natin may open shelves, cabinets, yan. So, this will be your living area. Punta tayo sa dining area natin. So, this will be your dining area. Ayan, kasya yung 6 packs. Ayan, may lamesa, upuan, tapos may pwede nyo palagyan ng ganito, pendant light, ipa-design yung ceiling natin. Then, lagyan natin ng curtain. Ayan, meron pa tayong window. 2 window for natural lighting. So, this will be your dining area. Punta naman tayo sa kitchen area. On my left, we have a dedicated space for the refrigerator. Leading to my right, the black countertop. Meron tayong upper and lower cabinet for storage space. So this will be your kitchen area. Yan, may sink tayo, may yung refrigerator, yung electric cooktop with range hood. Yan. Okay? Sa tabi ng kitchen area natin, meron tayong service area for laundry and dirty kitchen. Okay? Let's go to the 1 toilet and bath. Right here lang. Yan. 1 toilet and bath. First toilet and bath, we got a bowl and sink and shower set. Yan. So, sa ground floor natin, meron tayong 1 bedroom. Pwede siyang granny room. Ayan. Guest room. So, meron siyang 1 bed, tapos pwede nyo rin palagyan ng cabinet, maliit na cabinet. Then, dito sa granny room natin or sa guest room, meron siyang 1 window for natural lighting. So, tapos na tayo sa ground floor, going to the second floor. So, going to the second floor, yan yung ano natin, yung stairway natin or staircase. Meron tayong dyan, pendant lights, frame. Pa-design nyo like this para maganda yung natin, stairway. Going to the second floor, to the master bedroom. So, this is your master bedroom. Yan, kasya yung one bed natin. Tapos, may ano pa tayo dito, one cabinet. And sa master bedroom natin, we got one toilet and bath. Yan, kompleto na yan with bowl, sink, and shower set. Tapos, meron pa tayong 2 window for natural lighting. Study table. Yan. Pwede nyo pagawan yung ganito yung ano natin, ceiling natin with pin light, pendant light. Let's go to the second bedroom. This will be your second bedroom. Kung may dalawang boys na anak, ayan o. Kasyang-kasya. Tapos may one window for natural lighting and cabinets. Ayan. With working table. Alright. We're going to the last bedroom. Ito yung last bedroom natin. With one bed, one cabinet, tapos study table. One window for natural lighting. So, sa second floor, meron tayong 2 toilet and bath. Punta natin yung last toilet and bath. Okay. This will be your toilet and bath sa second floor. And may bowl, sink, and shower set. Kompleto na rin. And may window for natural lighting. And, alright. Alright, tapos na natin i-house tour itong unit natin. Punta tayo sa baba for the recap. This unit has 80 square meter floor area, 144 square meter lot area with 4 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 vehicle carport.
For our next tour, papasok tayo sa pinaka-affordable house and lot ng Camellia, Cavite. Perfect ito for starting family dahil napakababa lang ng salary requirement.
So this unit has 46 square meter floor area and has 60 square meter lot area with 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. So tara, pasok tayo sa unit. So pagpasok natin sa unit, this will be your living area with 1 window for natural lighting. And this space could be your entertainment space. And may TV, and open shelf, pwede nyo palagyan yan. And dito sa side na to will be your kitchen area. May upper cabinet, lower cabinet. Pwede nyo palagyan ng electronic, cooktop, and range hood. And this side will be your refrigerator. Okay, basta tayo sa kitchen area. Going to our dining area. So this unit has 46 square meter floor area, kaya yung unit minaximize yung space. This will be your dining area with 4 packs. Pwede nyo palagyan ng pendant lights. Ayan. And on this side will be your service area, your laundry area, and dyan na yung dirty kitchen. Pwede nyo palagyan ng dirty kitchen. And this unit has 1 toilet and bath. Kompleto na rin with bowl, sink, and shower set. Ayan. Okay? So tapos na tayo sa ground floor, punta tayo sa second floor. Okay. Going to the second floor, this will be your stairway. So sa second floor, may 2 bedroom. Ito na yung first bedroom natin. Pwede nyo palagyan ng 1 bed right here. Tapos meron tayong window for natural lighting, provision for aircon, tapos cabinets. Pwede nyo palagyan dito. Working table or study table on this side. Going to the second bedroom. So the second bedroom has 2 windows for natural lighting, and 1 cabinet, tapos meron pa tayong study table and 1 bed. Yan. Provision for aircon, meron na rin. Okay. Tapos na tayo sa second floor. Ito na yung affordable unit natin ng Camellia. So, for the recap, this unit has 46 square meter floor area, 60 square meter lot area with 2 bedrooms sa taas and 1 toilet and bath sa baba. And if you want this specific property, just contact CH Property on this number. Don't forget to follow us on our social media pages like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So, again, this is Harold Alcedo. See you again on the next house tour.